AbStudio is an AI-based platform that facilitates in silico design of therapeutic antibodies. It includes the Antibody Database, the world's biggest databank for antibodies that harmonizes it in the form of knowledge graphs for faster decision-making. Let's say that you have a name for a target. You want to find out any information about antibodies that were developed against it across the scientific literature, patents, and other sources. That way, you can learn more about the possible biological context of the antibody and antigen. You can search by a single sequence, CDRH3, and keyword. In this case, we chose to search by keyword. The target name should be the gene name, for example, VEGF-A. Using natural language processing, the platform assigns and normalizes synonyms from various databases to the target. We do this to make sure that you get all the alternative names and IDs of this target when searching through the antibody database to increase the coverage of search results. Using this list, the platform searches the antibody database for antibodies associated with specified targets. You get a synonym map with a list of targets and their synonyms. The page contains all the hits in the antibody database related to the target, together with their annotations. The search results come from the NGS, patent documents, structures, scientific publications, and therapeutics. Each search result contains a details section with rich annotations. When you find something insightful, you can easily add it to your research project and share it with your team. Such antibody-specific results save you time and effort in navigating the antibody space. Using our search engine, you can translate antibody data and insights into a solid data-driven therapeutic strategy. Book a demo to learn more.